Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to select vertices in Blockbench. Vertex selection lets you fine-tune shapes at a very detailed level. First, select a mesh or convert a cube into a mesh if needed. Make sure you're in edit mode. In the toolbar, choose vertex selection mode from the selection tools. Click on a vertex to select it. Once selected, you can move, scale, or rotate the vertex to reshape the model. If you want to select multiple vertices, hold Shift while selecting the vertices you want to edit. You can also hold Ctrl and click plus drag using your mouse to select multiple vertices. And that's how to select vertices in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.